Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax. I want to walk you through this fresh trade we just got. This is a 2020 Axis A24. Beautiful boat, guys. You'll see it's got the seafoam green with a, I guess you'd call this a gray accent. It's got the white sports tower on it, powder coated white. Comes with this painted black tandem axle boatmate trailer. Guys, this boat has the Raptor 400 horsepower engine with only 144 hours. Has a Type S surf system. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the A24. As you'll see, the bow, you've got nice wraparound seating, speakers, plenty of cup holders, accommodated with some sea deck accents. Nice walk-through window. Taking a look at the helm, guys. You'll see you have your digital screen for all your performance specs, surf system, all your gauge and switches, stereo, wireless phone charger, nice platform to hold your stuff as well. Nice bolster seat located at your helm as well. Guys, nice wraparound seating, plenty of sea deck, plenty of cup holders. Again, guys, this has the Raptor 400 horsepower engine, world-class surf boat. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.